Hi, this is Shivangi. Hi, I'm Anjali Beniwal. So my journey has been so far was challenging and rewarding, marked by the continuous learning and professional growth. So I was Samera since last year September 2023, and my role here is to manage the self-assessment tax return and engage with the clients and manage their tax related affairs. I have started my career as a bookkeeper, and the starting of my career I had done at a different firm, but my desire for growth led me to Samera. So here also I joined as a bookkeeper, but with the opportunities available here, I started working from bookkeeping to management accounts, year-end accounts, and I've started working on admin work and taken over internal accounts as well. And apart from that, I started working on secretarial duties as well. But the most satisfying role that I'm playing right now is to give training to the new joinees. So it gives you satisfaction when you are giving training to someone and you saw them growing in front of you. It's a different feeling. Our main focus is basically on the client satisfaction, and we usually work on that. And basically I possess the good knowledge on UK personal taxation, and I stay updated with the latest tax related legislations and whatever the changes has taken place in the UK tax legislation. And I usually focus in communicating these changes and update with the client. So whenever I'm working on any client, I always think from client's perspective, not as an accountant. If I'm talking to them, I always think from their point of view. If I'm talking to them, I will talk to them as a friend, not as an accountant. It will help them to open up, like their queries and everything. If your relationship will be stronger, you will be able to explain your queries, your problems more properly and more efficiently, and it will help us to resolve their queries, and the work and the delivery will be on time. So my main focus at Samera, I usually have 3 key points. First one is the attention to detail. So whatever client provide the documents to us, we usually analyze all of the documents and then suggest about how to manage the finances. And second one is the communication. We focus on communicating each and every updates with the client, like what is going with the tax return and if there's any basically investment scheme available with them, so that they can manage their finances accordingly. And another one is the proactive approach. Proactive approach basically related to if there's any follow-ups pending with HMRC, and for example, if there's any tax liability outstanding with the HMRC, we go with to the client and update that this is the outstanding amount and you need to pay it as soon as possible, so that there will not be any interest charging on daily basis. Yeah, recently when we have started working on company's account, so we figured out that there were a lot of payments were made to the employees, so that was not the correct thing. So when we have started working, we figured out this thing and we informed it to the client, but we have to make some changes. So we made a plan, and a lot of question has been asked from us. It was not an easy journey, and we faced a lot of challenges, but we worked as a team and figured out the solution. So this was a time, like for being as a trainee, you have done a great job. So it was a different feeling at that time, and this helped me to learn a lot of decision making, and really helped me to boost up the confidence, and we gained the trust of the client as well. So we advise them to introduce them and advise them to the various investment schemes that are available with us, that is basically enhance their finances and also benefit them in the near future. And apart from that, there are various other options apart from the investment scheme. So there is an option to donate, to do some charitable donations, or for future purpose they can also do the pension contribution. That will also give them a good benefit in the future. In my point of view, outsourcing and offshoring both have a great future in India. India has the largest number of youngest population we are having, and all are full of energy. They are fully enthusiastic. They
yeah, like me. So they are very energetic and they have a better accounting knowledge. They are very efficient in English speaking as well. And we have been taught to do hard work. So since our childhood, all these values are given to us. So if you will combine all these things with the technology, you will be able to complete all the jobs more accurately and on a timely manner. At last, this is what we want. So this has a good opportunity in India.
Yeah, so this is again, this is related to the communication. We at Samera have a very streamlined process for this purpose. So we assign a dedicated account manager for each of the clients so that they can invest time on that particular client so that they stay updated with the progress of the returns, and we usually acknowledge for each and every emails and we discuss their concerns over the emails and always available to discuss every kind of their queries and concerns over the call as well. Communication should be very clear with the client. And another one is the documentation. Like every client are very much concerned about their data, whether their data are secure or not. So we provide them a specified and secure platform where they can upload their information, and according to that we can prepare their tax returns.
Working with international clients, you learn about each other's culture. So I have learned a lot of things from them. They are very polite, they are professional, and they are very punctual for the time. And talking to them on daily basis. So it helps us to improve our communication skills. So it is working on both personal and professional life. So this is a great thing. Thank you.
Thank you.